1,200 sandwiches. Okay, that's a crazy number of sandwiches. Okay, so if you're in Pear Deck, you would be dragging this in. I'm hoping you're either here or here. But if you're here, you probably need to make an appointment with me on Calendly or ask a question. All right, so if the veggie choices had to be different, would there be a lower or higher total possible sandwiches? Well, I know that I would still have 3 choices of bread, 4 choices of beans, 4 choices of cheese, 5 choices of veggie, but if I had to choose a different one, once I choose one, then I only have 4 choices. Well, so that's going to definitely be lower, because I can't choose the same veggie twice, which means that I can only choose 4 veggies on my second choice instead of 5. All right, so Andre knows he wants a sandwich that has ham, lettuce, and tomatoes on it. He doesn't care about the type of bread or cheese. How many different sandwiches would make him happy? Okay, so that's 3 for the first option. Then he only has 1 for the second option. Then he has 4 options for cheese. Then he has 1 option for the first veggie, 1 option for the next veggie. So then I'm going to multiply these together. So 3 times 1 is 3, times 4 is 12, 12 times 1 is 1, 12 times 1 is 1. So 12 sandwiches. So I could give him 12 different sandwiches and he would be theoretically happy because he doesn't care about the bread or the cheese. All right, so what are some methods for writing out sample space of a chance experiment that contains multiple steps? You could do a table. You could do a T-chart or a tree diagram. And you could do a list. Those are your options. Or wait, you could multiply all the total outcomes of each event. All right, so why is it important to know the number of outcomes in the sample space when finding probability? So how's probability found? It's desired outcome divided by the total. So why is it important to know the number of outcomes? Because that's how you're going to figure out the probability or the likelihood. You have to know how many options there are so that you can figure out the probability. All right, so your cool down. It says Lynn selects 1 type of lettuce, 1 dressing, to make a salad. So this is your options. So how many outcomes are there? Diego chooses rock, paper, scissors, and Jada chooses rock, paper, or scissors. How many outcomes are there? Spin these 3 spinners. How many outcomes are there? Okay, so think about your options. You could draw it out or you can use your multiplication, whatever strategy works for you. Then I need you to submit it. I hope you have a great rest of your day.